Akili, 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 Akili.
Bush Baby wants to draw with you. Are you ready to draw with him too?
It's time to draw with Bush Baby. Oh, you already know what you want to draw? I'm so curious. Tell me. Oh, what a great idea, Bush Baby. You want to make a card for your sister who's turning 3. Okay, Bush Baby. Why don't you start by folding the paper? Yes, very good. Take one of the short sides to the other short side. Excellent. Good job, Bush Baby. Now, what do you want on the front of the card?
I know.
Aha! Good idea. A cake with 3 candles for your 3-year-old sister. Cake looks delicious. Amazing! 3 candles. And what about the inside of the card? Wow! A rainbow! It looks great! Look how happy you've made your little sister, Bush Baby.
How to download an Ubongo app from the Play Store. Before you start, make sure that you have the device's owner's permission and that your data is on. You will also need a Google account. If you don't have one, ask for advice from a wise friend or a trustworthy phone repairer. From your phone's home screen, look for the Play Store icon and give it a tap. Tap the search bar and type the name of the app. Choose the app that you want. Ubongo is under all of the names of our apps. Tap on Install and wait. Once installed, tap Open. You have done it! Enjoy! If you liked the app, then come back and give a 5-star review. If not, then share your feedback.